Hey, what's up guys? Hoshinori Nito is back with another Minecraft video. And for today's video, we're going to build a dome, which is currently will look like this on my back. But first, let's check it. Okay, let's go. As you guys can see, I turned this dome into a laboratory, or lab for short. Let's check inside. Oops. Open the door. And we're here. You can also turn this dome into a research lab or turn it into your base. Oh, for me it's cool because it looks a bit realistic and, you know, just for fun. Okay, let's start building it. Okay, let's get started. This is the layout of our dome, and the items that we're gonna need is on that chest over there. Let's get down. Okay, the items that we're gonna need is white concrete, sea lantern, glass, redstone comparator, redstone repeater, redstone torch, redstone, dust, sticky piston, pressure plate or any type of pressure plate you want, an iron door, and a button, which you can also use any other buttons. Okay, let's start with its main frame. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Now let's repeat that all around. And there we have it. Now let's start making the floor. You can make any patterns you want on the floor, but for me, I'll make it like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just stop there. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, there. Now that we have this, we're just going to place that and also here all around. It's up to you guys what patterns you're going to make for your floor. For me, I'll keep it as simple as possible. Okay, now let's use the lanterns. The sea lanterns, I mean. Oops. Okay, I got it wrong. There and there. Let's just put some right over here. Oops, not there. Okay, now let's just repeat that same process on the other ones. And there we have it. Now on the next one, we're going to put here, just like that. Oops. Okay, there and there. Now let's just now let's just repeat that on the others side. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick today. And we're done. Next, we're going to fill up this hole with this white concrete. And there we have it. Now let's make the pillars. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's just make this all around. Okay. Okay, now that we're done, let's make a ring. Oops. Oops, wrong again. Oops. Oh no, I keep making mistakes. Okay, now let's just repeat that all over here. Okay, there we go. Next, let's come over to this corner and just build like this. Break downwards. There. Let's make up to 4. 1 2 3. Okay, last one. And break the other one. Okay, now let's repeat that here on the others. And there we have it. Now let's come to this corner and create something like this, but just one line. Oops. Let's break that. That's 1 2 3 and 4. Now let's repeat that to the other corners. And there we go. Now all we need to do is connect them all, just like this. Oh, oops. I put it I put I kind of put it on the wrong side. Let's see. Oh, yeah, my bad. Okay, let's put this thing first. Now here. There we go. Now let's repeat that over here. And there we have it. Now next, let's put some sea lanterns here. And put this here. Okay, next. After this, we're going to put one more layer up here. And there we have it. Now next, we're going to put the glass. Oops. Okay. Next is here. Oops. Okay, next is down here. Okay, right over there to this corner. Oops. Right here and here. Okay, let's just repeat this process on the other side. And there we have it. Now the next thing we're going to do is to cover this down part with glass as well. But first, let's add this to the build. Okay, there, and there. Okay, now let's put some glass. Oops. I hope guys you don't mind about the background noises, because literally my house is so close to neighbors that are so noisy. Oops. Okay, let's continue. By the way guys, we're not going to put any glass in here because this is going to be the bridge. There. Now let's just repeat this over here. And there we have it guys. The dome is finally complete at this part. But this is just the part 1 of our video. The next video is where we will make the bridge. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget also to comment what you would like me to build next. Until next time.